In case of emergency, your Santa Cruz has an available spare tire secured underneath the storage bed and the tools to change it. To access the toolkit, flip up the rear seating area with the handle located on the edge of the seat. Next, remove the foam tray and the tools required for the tire change. Please remember that these tools are only intended for emergency situations. Your spare tire is underneath the storage bed area. To lower it to the ground, start by removing the spare tire cap located in the rear bumper by turning the cap to the left with a coin or other flat tool. Next, attach the included socket to the wheel nut wrench and connect it to the hidden bolt underneath the cap. Once secured, firmly twist the wrench counterclockwise and the spare tire will slowly lower to the ground. After the spare tire touches the ground, continue to turn the wrench counterclockwise to provide additional slack in the cable. Next, pull the spare tire out from under the vehicle, and once the tire is comfortably within reach, remove the retainer from the center of the tire. Be sure to follow all safety precautions in the Hyundai Santa Cruz owner's manual when changing a tire, and return the emergency tools to their tray back inside the vehicle when no longer in use. For instructions on how to properly secure a flat tire in the storage bed, safely change a tire, or for additional information on many other available features, please refer to your Hyundai Santa Cruz owner's manual.